In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Profit Calculator apps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a profit calculator in the Shopify App Store and install it in your admin, so you can quickly understand your real margins and make better pricing decisions. First, open your Shopify admin in a web browser and sign in. Make sure you're using an account with permission to install apps. Having a stable internet connection will help, since the App Store opens in a new view during this process. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This is the central place where you manage everything you've added to your store. If you're working in a new store, the Apps page may be mostly empty, which is fine. We're about to add your first tool. At the top of the Apps page, use the highlighted search field. Click into that field so it's active and ready for input. Type the word calculator into the search. When you do this from the Apps area, Shopify will offer to search the Shopify App Store for matching tools. Select the option to search the App Store, so you can see all available calculator options that integrate with your admin. In the search results, look for the listing called Profit Calc, Profit Calculator. Open its app page to review details. This page usually shows what the app calculates, screenshots, pricing, and user reviews. Take a moment here to confirm it covers the costs you care about, like product cost, shipping, transaction fees, and advertising spend, and that it supports your store's region and currency. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify may display a brief loading state while it prepares the app. If a free trial is offered, you'll see that noted. If there's a paid plan, Shopify will outline it clearly before you proceed. Next, you'll land on an installation confirmation screen. Review the permissions the app is requesting so you understand what it can access in your store, such as orders and products. If everything looks good, click Install App to grant access. Wait a moment while Shopify completes the installation. Once it's done, you'll be taken into the app inside your admin. That's it. The profit calculator is now added to your store. From here, follow the on-screen prompts in the app to finish setup and start viewing profit insights. If you ever need to revisit it, return to your Shopify admin, open Apps, and select the app from